Hi everyone, Dav from Smiths. I'm delighted to bring you a beautiful property today. To my left is a 3-bed bungalow situated on Broadmead Crescent in Bishopston. As you can see, we've got a driveway, beautiful landscape front garden, fully enclosed as you can see. I can't wait to show you this one, so please follow me inside and I'll show you the rest. We are now in the garden. The rear garden, as you can see, has full sunlight. It is 2:30 and the sun is directly above us now. So once the sun comes over, the garden's going to have ample light going into the evening time. There's a further garden to my right-hand side, sheds to my left, and behind you there are some planters as well, leading back out onto the front garden. But what a beautiful place to sit down and relax in the sunlight. So that was the outside of the property. Welcome to the internals. We're currently standing in the kitchen dining room. As you can see, it's beautifully finished to a lovely standard. Plenty of space for sitting as well, leading out onto the garden. Internally, we have 3 bedrooms, living room, bathroom, and of course this lovely space. Also, if you are interested in seeing this property, our 3-bed bungalow on Broadmead Crescent, directly message me, contact me, call the office. I'll be delighted to see you soon.